There is nothing like the smell of fresh coffee in the morning.
Smells like victory.
Coffee retains inside plenty of CO2 as a consequence of combustion during roasting. As time goes by, the amount of CO2 diminishes progressively until there is nothing left. This period is called gassing, and coffee experiences an intensification of flavor and complexity before stalling and suddenly collapsing after a couple of weeks. For the best possible experience, coffee should be consumed from 8 hours to 2 weeks after roasting, reaching its prime after 5 days. In a commercial environment, however, the degassing period is an annoyance. It gets in the way of several packaging methods by not allowing full vacuum and representing a permanent risk of packaging rupture. For this reason, many commercial brands practice coffee degassing before packaging. Although this solves the packaging problem, it isn't without consequences. The main of them is that coffee is no longer fresh. How can you be certain whether coffee is fresh? As soon as you pour hot water on coffee grounds, fresh coffee shows effervescence by releasing large amounts of CO2 all at once. This is called blooming. Just after the roast, the blooming is so intense, the foam is capable of lifting a thick crust. After 2 weeks, the crust is no longer present and the effervescence has almost disappeared. As long as your coffee shows any signs of blooming during the infusion, you can rest assured it is still fresh.